Alright, just got back from the butcher. Finally got hold of some liver. I went in last week and they said they get a liver delivery on Wednesdays. Today's Wednesday, so I've just been up and got the liver and I'm going to try it for the first time. Got to attempt to cook it first, but yeah, we'll give it a go and see if it tastes any good. Alright, here it is. I think this is about half a kilo, she said, and it costs like £5.60, something like that. So like $7 or $8. She said best thing to do is slice it up nice and thin and then literally just pan fry it, cook it like a steak pretty much, and then should be good to go. I don't think I'll have it all. I might have half of it now, but I'll cook it all now and then yeah, see how we go. Okay, sliced it up. Not the neatest of jobs, but it'll have to do. I ended up only cutting half of it. I've put half of it back in the bag because it was actually quite a lot. So I'm just going to pan fry this with some butter and salt. Alright, got them salted. I got 25 grams of butter. This is the one I use. It's Kerrygold grass-fed butter. It's the only grass-fed one I could find in the supermarkets here. So yeah, just gonna heat this pan up and then get them in. So because I've never cooked these before and I have no idea how long to put them on for, I've just gone for basically 3 different cooking times. The one on the left I took off first, and then I just left the other 2 on a bit longer. So I guess we'll do a taste test. Alright, moment of truth. Looks just like a steak, to be honest. The taste is fine. The texture is quite strange though. That was the least cooked one. So I'm going to try the one I cooked for the longest time. See if the texture's any better. It's very chewy. Probably because of the way I cooked it, but yeah, that one was definitely better than the first one I tried. So I think I'll just leave it on longer next time. But yeah, taste-wise, pretty good. I was expecting to not like it very much, but yeah, it literally, don't know if that'll focus. It just looks like a thin piece of steak, to be honest. So yeah, I'll definitely have that again. All finished. So on this carnivore diet, there isn't a need to have organ meat very often. I know Dr. Anthony Chaffee, he says that you should eat it in proportion to the animal and that you don't really need any more. And, you know, on a cow, for example, you might get like 750 pounds of meat, but only 1 liver. So if you had like 1 liver a year, then that'd be absolutely fine. I don't think he's had any, I think he said he's had like less than 10 in his entire life. And especially at the start of a carnivore diet, because it's nature's multivitamin pretty much. It's so nutritious, and it can really give you a boost at the start. So that was my reason for getting it. I'll finish off the rest of that liver over the next couple of days. Just cooking up the rest. Should have used a bigger pan really, and I could have had it in one go. So yeah, that was it. First time trying liver. It was actually better than I was expecting. And yeah, I'll definitely have it again. I'll have some over the next few days. Yeah, that's everything. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.